So every so often, some cold-hearted Scrooges rain on everyone's parade by helping themselves to holiday decorations. I tell you, I just a couple of 4 months or so ago bought a house with wife LaDonna in Norton Commons, and we drive through there nightly with her mom Betty and going to dinner and going out. And we're amazed during the holiday season just how many people are decorating their homes. And let's face it, it's just now really getting into the Christmas, but the Halloween was amazing, the amount of decorations. And we put out one decoration and was worried, will someone take it? I think everybody worries about it around the city, and we're doing this. So I did a little research. Okay, so one of the suggestions is to use heavy items outside. Okay, I'm not so sure about this. The heavier and bulkier an item, the harder it's going to be for a thief to grab it as he walks by or stuff into the trunk of a compact car. Okay, so good luck on that one. But also secure with landscaping staples or wedges, things that will hold it down. Like the thing I've got has got these big stakes that are holding the whole thing down into the ground, which not only keep it from blowing away, but at the same time make it a little more difficult to remove. You can keep motion lights functional pointed at this, so in the event at night someone comes up there, light pops on it and could scare the thief. You can use zip ties or duct tape, probably not so much duct tape, but zip ties definitely, yeah, to go ahead and hold it to the house or to a shrub. You can anchor it. This was kind of unusual with rebar. That's the stuff they put in concrete to make it stronger, but you can put some rebar into the ground with a kind of a mallet and then fashion some sort of attachment to the item so it can't be easily yanked away. There's a lot of little things. Chained items to trees, keep decorations from the street so it makes it less inviting for a thief to just jump out and grab it. Shut it down overnight so at night the lights aren't on, so they're not going to see it. Use cameras and security system that will keep an eye on it. And you can also, and I'm not so sure, this was this last suggestion, request additional patrols from local police. I'm not so sure they're coming out to keep an eye on your decorations. But, we keep hearing about porch pirates taking them your Amazon gifts and things like deliveries. This could happen too. So just keep an eye. Those are some suggestions that might be able to help you in the event that you've got a potential problem in your neighborhood and you want to keep something from happening.